So I'm using this pencil. I don't have money. I'm budgeting. And then this one, brushes. So I have still red for the blush on. So I'm gonna use this one. And of course I have this makeup kit that I'm gonna use for my cheek. Only slight to look pinkish. Not too much like you're a clown and nobody will recognize you because there's too much filter, too much makeup. So after this one is the eyeshadow. Only light. So I use brown, my favorite color. To open up, or like me, I'm older now because of my hair. So I have to use brown shade. So then after this is we're gonna put on the lipstick. I'm gonna close this one. So I have my background here, my shoes. So happy. It's in the cabinet now. And I have also the broken lipstick, my favorite. Just light. Then blending it, and oh my gosh, that's how I look like now. I look like this. I wake up like this. No, just kidding. So we'll see how it looks like when I off my clip. This is what happened after I do the hair braids. Oh my gosh. So for now, I can just do like this for the meantime because I did not, when I shower, I did not wash my hair yet. Try to hide my armpit for you guys. So this is how I look like, and I'm gonna make pictures with the makeup.